Hello, my name is Kim Hummer. I'm the Specialty Crop Curator for the USDA ARS National Clonal Germplasm Repository in Corvallis, Oregon. Today, I'm going to talk about how to add a pedigree in GRIN. I'll give the example of Daiko, a strawberry from Japan that has PI number 616627, C-Fray number 1292. We have a citation from Masami Morishita in 1994, who listed the pedigree of Daiko. It's a selfed line of Harunoka and crossed by a selfed line of Fukuba. It was released in 1976 from the Kurumi station in Japan. F. Honda was the breeder. The first thing we do, once we have our information in hand, is to search in GRIN for PI 616627. We use the GRIN search tool to do this. We click List of Items, and we enter our PI number 616627 in the search box. We click Search Now, and the result is this one record that it brings forward. Now we want to drag the record over to the Curator tool and work on it and edit it in the Curator tool. Here it is over in the Curator tool. And as you might recall from another presentation I've given, the accession wizard is a very useful tool for us. The accession wizard is a quick way to add names, source, pedigree, and other information. Today, we want to add the pedigree, so we'll use the accession record to do this, to help us do this. We click on accession record and up pops this pop-up window. You can see that pedigree is this fourth tab over from the left in the accession wizard screen. So we click on pedigree. We want to add a new pedigree, so we click on new pedigree. It provides us a line to add our data. Let's add the pedigree description first. And by the way, you can extend the size of the cells the way you do in an Excel spreadsheet. So we add the pedigree description. Next, we want to add that it was a controlled pollination from the drop-down menu. We want to add the release date in the YYYY form, 1976. We want to add the female accession name, which was a self line of Harunoka, and the male accession, which was a self line of Fukuba. I've gone ahead and put the PI numbers in for Harunoka and Fukuba. We don't have any particular PI number for this particular seedling of Harunoka, but that can be observed by reading the name of the female and the male accession in this case. Be sure to click on a cell outside of this line. That means go back to source or names or accession, because you filled in all the blocks for the pedigree at this point. Then you can press save and you check public GRIN for the pedigree information. So we go to public GRIN, we do an advanced search using the PI number. It pulls up the PI record for us of Daiko, and we look at the pedigree tab, and we can see that the information that we just entered is now in public GRIN. So we've met with success. Do you remember how a citation is loaded? One of our other modules gave instructions on loading citations. Make sure that the citation is loaded when you find a citation for the pedigree or the background or the information about a cultivar. Add that citation in the GRIN record. In this case, I added Masami Morishita, 1994, and his studies on genetic variation of strawberries from the bulletin of the Research Institute in Japan. So thanks for listening. See you next time.